बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ऐसे माई मदर। तो चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं। माई मदर नेम इज़ आमना। शी इज़ अ housewife. She gets up early in the morning. She says her prayers regularly. She cleans the house daily. She cooks food for us. She is very kind lady. She is a simple woman. She always helps the poor. She loves me very much. She helps me in studies. I love her very much.